This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now let's shift it to the gold market. Well, yesterday the markets in the United States were closed due to the President's Day celebration. So that's why the context and the overall situation that we have discussed in our weekly thread on the forum still valid. So as you can see, market is forming now the potentially reversal pattern that could lead to either retracement or to maybe some reversal. We do not know that, but that pattern is the butterfly on the daily time frame. Now market stands at 127 extension of the butterfly of that swing from that low to this high. 127 extension stands right there at daily oversold. And if you will take a look at this pattern A, B, C top, you'll see that market stands at the 1618 extension as well. As we said, that this probably could trigger some retracement to the upside, at least to correct and adjust the unsuitable, not comfortable oversold condition for the market. For instance, something like that. Market has touched the oversold, retracement, touched the oversold, retracement. So here it could happen again. But how deep this retracement could be, as we said in our weekly research, we can't estimate from the daily time frame. All that we could do here is just to apply different harmonic swings. So if we'll take the small retracement, something like here, we will get retracement right to the 60-30 area, approximately to the weekly pivot point, as we will see a bit later. If we'll take these harmonic swings, or even that one, we could get the much deeper retracement to the upside. But personally, I think that hardly it will be a significant retracement, because when market is forming some sort of the acceleration bar right to the 127 extension, it tells that probably market will continue move to the 1618. And usually between the 127 and 1618, when the market stands with the butterfly, it very rarely shows significant retracements. Usually this is some sort of the 3-8 retracement, just with respect to the 127 extension area and downward continuation. But this is just the assumption, because I do not have any confirmation right now on the market. Gold is the very cunning market, as you could understand already. It likes to show the deep retracement. It likes wash and rinses, the grabbing the stops moments. You could find a lot of such kind of situation on the market, even in the closest past that we have discussed in the previous couple of weeks. When we trade gold, you'll see a lot of we have seen a lot of such sort of the situation. That's why we can't say that market definitely will show just shallow retracement and continue move to the downside. But after the significant breakout, after this such sort of the strong candle to the downside, I think, just my opinion, that the shallow retracement is more probable than some strong acceleration. But we will not gamble. We will just monitor and watch over the market, and we'll try to estimate what retracement could happen. Besides, if we trade on the daily time frame, we have no reason to enter long. All that we could do now is just to wait when the rally will come, just to use it for taking the short position and to enter on the short side of the market. From that perspective, we do not care how strong this retracement could be. This could be useful only for the scalp traders who would like to initiate the long position on the intraday charts to take this potential move to the upside. Well, from that point of view, if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame, what do we see here? That is our area, the first area that we have discussed, the potential target of this pullback. It includes weekly pivot point and confidence resistance on the 4-hour time frame is around 60-30 area. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame trend has turned bullish, and we have some hint on the potential ABCD pattern to the upside. The target of this ABCD stands precisely in the same area, so that is also an agreement. If you would like to take the long position, you probably should be focused on some sort of on these areas that potential target is supposed. What's the risk with this trade? The risk with this trade is that current move on the market could shift it to the bullish butterfly. For instance, that could be left wing. If market will fail to take out of these highs and turns to the downside, in this case, the target of this butterfly will be around 5082, the 1618 extension. That stands very close to the 1618 extension of this daily butterfly. That's the risk of the taking long position on the intraday charts with this ABCD pattern. So, if you still want to take this position, it's very difficult to find the reason for that, because if you will enter long right now and will be placing stops somewhere below this area, your risk-reward ratio will be not very attractive. If you'll place stops somewhere in this area below this swing, well, in this case you could meet the risk of that ABCD down and then turn to the upside. This is also possible because gold likes to do the significant retracement down. So you could see that taking the scalp long position carries a lot of risk, and it's very thin moment, a lot of nuances right here to take the long position with this potential scalp trade. So how you could do that, it stands upon you. So currently I can't say definitely that this is definitely will be ABCD pattern. You could place stop right here, because even as I said, there's a lot of different risks that stands with this retracement, because it's really difficult to justify the long entry in the current situation. The conservative tactic is to wait when this retracement up will end and try to end on the short side of the market. But you could choose any scenario that you want. If you want to make the scalp, you could try to do that. Well, but you should choose by yourself where you will place your stop, because any of the stop placement will carry some disadvantages. This stop carries too much risk compared to the profit. This carries that you could meet this downward ABCD and to meet the Gartley's triple to buy. Market could show a move to the upside after that. So you can see very cunning and tricky situation currently with this potential bullish scalp trade. But anyway, markets were thin yesterday and anemic, so let's observe how market will behave around this area. Finally, we want just to get the retracement to the upside. That is our primary objective. Well, to make this scalp long trade or to not, that is the minor point. You could decide by yourself. And in general, our major focus is the daily time frame, where we need to find an area where we could enter on the short side of the market.